Hello and welcome back everyone to the next episode on SAP Build Apps low code no code development training. In the last episode we talked about how to design and develop a side by side extension application using SAP S/4HANA API which are upgrade safe by following the clean core strategy and deploying this application to the cloud. In today's session, we are going to proceed further and see if in case you are doing post scenarios and your S4HANA API is offering you an issue related to cross origin resource sharing, how are you going to fix these issues? So often the S4HANA APIs are actually protected by course. Now, in order to fix these course issues, we need to make a special setting to our destination. So when I come back to my Build Apps application, you will notice that at the moment when I go to integration, one of the API configuration, it doesn't allow me to configure course. You see CSR of token is not enabled. So in order to enable this option of automatic handling of CSR of token, we need to go back to BTP cockpit, edit our destination and add another property called require CSR of SE to true. Done. We click and save our destination, come back to our build apps and just go to data entity again. So go back. You would now, first of all, just refresh the screen here in build apps after adding the change to the destination and just quickly try to go back again to the data entity. Now you go to the configuration and select. Still it is not showing up. So let's come out completely and maybe just try to add integration again with the destination. Yeah, just add one more entity. Now go back to configuration, still not coming. So maybe we will just close and reopen the SAP Build Apps. So sometime it's a refresh issue. So we can come back again to instances and subscription and reopen our SAP Build Apps cockpit. So after making the change to the destination, you will be stress free to allow auto handling of course if in case of write scenarios when you're willing to write the data to the entities. This is the parameter. So let's come back side by side extension app and you see we can just continue, go back to integration and this time when I go to configuration, yes, it's still not allowing. Let me just cross check. It's a refresh issue. So maybe we will try to disable all the integration, uninstall and try again. So we'll select here the BPA, SAP Business Partner API, install, enable and just save. Okay. So I think I've done a mistake. So the mistake was actually the parameter name. It is just requires CSRF. Yeah. Not CSRF SE. Yeah. So I've done a mistake. Let me save it. Done. Let's come back again. So sometime is the parameter problem, right? So we can come back and try again. Go to integration tab. Look at this configuration issue. We click on this error and yes, update my app. When I do that, I can come back to configuration, CSR of token and Valhalla. We can see now the option is enabled. You don't have to enter anything, but it's just that now it is going to support a CSR of token input automatically like it does in the Fiori application to insert and update data in the SAP S4HANA API by obtaining the CSR of token automatically for us. Fabulous. I hope you understood and enjoyed this session. Thank you once again for joining the session today. I'll see you in the next episode. Till then, happy building and goodbye.